Hey everyone, how are you doing? Thank you so much for being here and watching. So earlier today I put up a poll asking what I should post first. I actually received 6 boxes in the mail today and they're all pretty good. But last I checked, the clear winner was to open the OFRA Mystery Box. So this is the second, maybe even the third OFRA Mystery Box I've ever received. I'm not really sure about that. But this one is $15 and you're supposed to get $100 worth of OFRA beauty products. So like I said, I've gotten this before, so I'm really hoping there's no repeats. Like if you guys remember, it was a while ago on our channel, so any OGs out there, I once got a repeat mystery bag from Pure, so I haven't been purchasing their mystery bags anymore, so hopefully OFRA doesn't pull the same thing. But this is the box it comes in. So last I checked, it was still available, so I'm going to link the link to the mystery box down below, and I'm also going to link down below a giveaway I have going on. Recently in my Ipsy Ultimate video, there was a beauty giveaway, so if you haven't entered, that will be down below. But yeah, let's get started and see what I got in my OFRA mystery box. So when you open it, there's just some clear bubble wrap. Wow, it's like really wrapped up. So there's the bubble wrap, and then there's some styrofoam. And then I see some stuff and it looks like it's going to be different. The first thing I see I'm excited about because I could use some more of these. These are OFRA Cleanse It Off. You love your glam, but you also love taking it off. 100% cotton lip wipes, 15 pieces. I try not to use makeup wipes too often just because like the environmental factor of them, but I do use them like for when I'm doing videos or swatches or anything like that. I didn't even know OFRA made these, so cool and cute pink packaging. So this is the first item in the box. Next up we have a full-size lipstick. So I actually do like their lipsticks. This looks like it could be a similar shade to ones I already own. This is called Charmed. So I don't think I have this exact one, but let me double check. No, you know, I was about to get up. I'm a little lazy right now, but I feel like the last one I got was Veronica, and then there was another one that's in my Shop My Stash. Alright, yeah, then there's this one I got in an Ipsy bag, which is clearly a different color. It doesn't even have a name on it. Maybe it's called Ipsy Unzipped. So I think this color looks beautiful, like an everyday type color. Let me swatch it. Smells good. I love this shade. Sometimes in mystery bags, I feel like companies just like shell out like items that aren't selling well or like close to expiration or something like this. But this is definitely a wearable color for me at least, so I'm definitely happy about this. So far so good with the mystery box. Let's see what's next. Looks like we have a single shadow. Looks like it's just like a brown shade. This is eyeshadow in Auburn. I rarely reach for my single shadows, but I do have a Z palette, so I can put it in there. And I don't think this is a repeat either, because I know we have, I think we received like more of like a plum color last time, and maybe a champagne shimmer. So here it is. It's a pretty big pan. Let's do a swatch. Feels nice. Ooh, that's swatched very well. Okay, I'm excited to try this out and play with it. So yeah, you guys, I'm liking this. There are 3 more items remaining. The first one is in this bubble wrap here. It's a highlighter. It looks like it's in the shade Retrograde, which I don't have. I have several OFRA highlighters and I just love them, so I'm super excited. Oh, so it's a double-sided. It looks like, is this half like Star Island, do you think? Retrograde. Like, I recognize the shade on the left. It looks like Star Island to me, but then there's that purple shade, so let's ignore my middle finger that has the brown shade on it. Let's swatch. Cool. I never wear like purple highlights, but that could go well with like some like purple looks, like do a monochromatic look, and I do love Star Island if that's the same. But again, that's what it looks like. And these highlights are pretty expensive, like they're in the $30 range, so awesome. And is this their new or their old packaging? Not like it matters, because here we have something else, which is in a different packaging. I can't remember what's what. Another highlighter. I guess OFRA is known for their highlights, so that like, it's not too odd to have 2 in here. So this is Oprah and Nikki Tutorials highlighter in Glow Goals. I have one of their collaboration highlights, but it's not this one. So this is what it looks like. Let's do a swatch. Use like my pinky. Oh, that's such a pretty like gold shade. Even if I can't use it on my fair complexion, I could use it like on my eyes. It's right here, sorry. I'm not the best swatcher in the world. But I think that's really pretty. I love Ofra highlights. We got 2 of them. There's one more thing in here, and this is the Ofra Fix Line Eyeliner Gel in black. It's a little guy. Let me get this open. So this is what it looks like. I rarely use gel liners, but I am open to trying it out. And I recently did receive some brushes, and I think some of them would work well for doing this, like using a gel liner like this one. So that was everything that came in the OFRA mystery bag, or mystery box I should say, came in a box. So I think that was totally worth it. So I paid $15, and they said it's at least $100 value. So let's take another look and see if it is. So we have 2 highlights. So we have the Ofra Glow Goals. This is the one that's in collaboration with Nikki Tutorials. And then we have the Retrograde, where you get 2 pretty highlights. And I'm pretty sure that these are in the $30 range. So let's just say this is like, just cut some change off. So let's just say it's like $25 each. So this is like $50. Eyeliner, I have no idea, but I would guess this is like around $10. It's pretty small. And makeup wipes are probably only a few dollars. Cleanse it off. Makeup wipes, which I'll use in a second. I guess I could use it to take off my swatches. We can see how it works. And then the Ofra Lippies, what are these, like 18 bucks? And I got it in Charmed, and I'm so happy with the color of this. And I really like the single. Like normally I wouldn't get too excited about single shadows. One thing I wish it had like the name on the back of it, so like when I put it in my Z palette, I will know what it is. I wonder if there's a way to do that somehow. Maybe I can like take the sticker off the back of this and put it on here. But that swatched so beautifully. So overall, I am really happy with this. So we got 2, 4, 6 items. So I'm trying to think what my favorite item out of all of these is. It's probably gonna be one of the highlights. Like, I don't know if I could really get away with wearing such a gold highlight, but I think this Glow Goals is so beautiful. And again, the purple highlight I don't think I would get too much use out of, but I like the other shade. The other shade seems like it's Star Island. I just want to kind of compare for my own sake. So I just grabbed all of my Ofra highlights. And this is the one that is Star Island. And I'll hold it up to this. So I'm gonna clean off my hands and let's just do a little swatch. So I'm using one of their, it says lip wipe, but we're gonna use it for my hand for all of these and my fingers. Let's see how it works. It took off the shadows right away. It's taking a little bit more work to get off that lip swatch. Yeah, but just by looking at that, it looks like it's the same, but let's see. So, regular Star Island, that's right there, and then let's do yeah, pretty similar. I can probably just go online and check, but I just love the Ofra highlights so much. And did I mention this one has a mirror? I honestly don't really ever use mirrors in small things like this, but I guess this, if you're on the go and you need a small mirror, I mean, there you go, you have one there. So yeah, I'm really happy. So there are no repeats from the last mystery box, so that is great. I get to try all new things from Ofra. I am a really big fan of their lippy, so I'm so excited to try this, and I'm a huge, even bigger fan of their highlights, so I am really happy with this. Only $15 and I got all of this good stuff, and I honestly like everything. I think the thing I'll probably use the least would be the eyeliner, but who knows, maybe it'll surprise me and I will fall in love with it. I am definitely at least looking forward to using it. So again, I am going to link this down below. Hopefully it is still available for you all to purchase, because in my opinion, I think it is 100% worth it. I think this is probably the happiest I've been with a mystery bag that I can recall. So I am definitely happy with my purchase. So I'll link that down below, and I'm also going to link down below my giveaway that ends on the 24th to win some beauty products and makeup. So if you're watching this video, I'm assuming you love makeup and everything like that, so check that out. But anyways, thank you guys so much for being here and unboxing with me. I so appreciate it and love you guys so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!